they will take the sub out of the cradle, where it is in right now. Yeah. Once it's out, they will try to check the buoyancy of the overall submarine. Okay. So what we want to achieve is neutral buoyancy, because so it's like just floating in the water without any force in it.
And I think the video you all just crop the video off of the picture screenshot. The video got some nice one.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Very big part of it is teamwork. I don't think they have gone through anything like that. Why I say teamwork is when they had to do the fiberglassing of the sub. That is absolute teamwork. One person as a novice, no way. So they have taken, each one took a different task in the process of the fiberglassing work. So that part I think would have made an impact on them as to teamwork. Wow, that one, when I saw from working on the plug, doing the fiberglass work, demolding it, getting it up, looking like a sub, it's not completed yet. To me, that was, I feel, a big achievement for the team. They have done something that not many people would have done. I would say in Southeast Asia, I don't think many have gone through that. In them achieving their vision of a sub, my help was to get them there. And when the sub was put together, to me it's like, well, I think I did a good job with a bunch of novices. So that one really, I felt very good.
Hello, I'm currently doing the canopy holes because we always got complaints from the pilot that air keeps getting trapped on the canopy. So we already did one over there. Yeah. So yeah, this is our very first trial one. So we initially it was this only, then we added more.
For this, you tap the hole.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So you can thread it through, and it's more secure lah.
Zhidong, so what are you doing now?
Hello. I'm currently fixing the hatch mechanism. So yeah, as part of the race requirements, we need the hatch to stay closed at all times. Yeah, if not it will be a penalty. So we're just thinking of how to make sure the hatch don't come out with even the space constraints that we have. Yeah, so currently we are working on a magnet solution, magnet and your normal hatch. Yeah, normal latch solution. Thank you. Yeah, so we are using neodymium magnets because they are known to have very good surface-to-surface contact strength. Yes, because our pilot's lower body actually produces a lot of torque. Yeah, so we have to find a way to make sure the hatch doesn't come up in water.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space.
I would say, don't be shy to try. Do it. Until you do it, you won't know. You won't realize how you feel when you have completed it, done something, achieved it. That kind of feeling, money cannot buy. My, advice will be try.
Ryan, what are you doing?
Yeah, before start, I was saying Jinian lah, but you know Jinian.
I feel like a rock, like superstar there. Like,
How do you feel after this round?
disappointed lah. We only did one time, and the fin was calibrated wrongly, and now K1 will win.
When you bring it out, so you guys got your thing out.
有拍你真的。I thought you do. 他真的好like 甜蜜，小声喊然后他一放出来，他就没有在看了。
有。Whoa! The year 2 are here.
What's up, boys and girls?
This is behind the scenes. Please collect your shirt. Yours is S.
Come with it. S.
If you cannot, you just take my SL later on. Hey, what? Oh, I feel like short.